fancy calling it that. It's Benny Bolton, ladies and gentlemen. Benny Bolton, he comes from up around the part of the world that Mick Brasher is from. They breed some insane types up in that part of the world. Benny Bolton, you've got to be a bit of a crazy one to put something together like this. It sounds like fire. So much smoke over there, we can't see a thing, but it sounds like extinguishers going left, right and centre. What's happened over there, Benny? Yeah, fair bit of inspection going on in that engine bay. What are they looking for? Holes in rods, holes in blocks, rods on the floor.
That doesn't look good.
We've both been in that spot before, Pendles, where she stops and you get those fireys just looking in the engine bay and you're thinking, oh God, what are you going to find?
Please don't be unbearing.
Please don't be bearing. Never forget, I used to skip one day a long time ago and that exact thing happened to me and I just got out of the car and had a chat with the commentator. He said, how did that go, mate? I said, oh yeah, she stopped. Probably just fueled up a little bit, you know. I said, yeah, we'll be back out later on for the finals. And he kicked a piece of conrod over to me and he said, is that yours? I said, oh, Lunati. Yeah, I think it's mine. Right, we're rooting for the day. We're not going to be back out later on.